Evening guys, let's boil egg. We try to make a egg sandwich. Let's cut one onion.
Sino ang tumatawag? Kain ako.
For sandwich. So we cut finish. So let's put in the container. We have egg here. Papalatan natin ang egg. We have bread here. Potato. Pati akin na nga yung ano.
Alin?
This is mayonnaise.
Ano din? Ano?
Balatan muna natin ang ating itlog. Dahil nabalatan na natin guys ang ating itlog. So, i-smash na natin siya guys. Para sa ating sandwich. So, ayan na guys. Na-smash ko na ang egg. So, let's put salt and pepper, black pepper. Paminta.
Somebody give for her. After my daughter, he want to show me, he not see 100 pesos in her wallet. After she become angry. After he said, why you take my money without permission from me? After her sister, he said, I will change. I have 500 pesos. He tell her sister, after I will change. After he said, no. Next time, even you want my money, ask me first, no?
Let's put salt.
Laso na. Hindi mo pa nilagyan. Ang laki kasi yung plato mo.
So, yan na guys. Just let's mix here in one bowl. Ay, yung bunganga mo na lang narinig dito sa vlog ko. Let's put mayonnaise. Mix na guys. Kain na tayo. Let's serve. Let's cut our bread. Ate, huwag ka magpunas muna. Lakad ko. Una guys, maglalagay na tayo sa loob ng ating tinapay ng eggs. Mix egg with mayonnaise, with salt and yan. Merienda time. Wala na bang clear dyan? Wala eh. Come on guys, with Pepsi.
Oh, wow.
Pepsi. Yehey.
Pepsi.
Ba't kinat mo na naman yung asawa mo? Kinat mo na naman.
Thank you for watching guys. I love you all. That's it. Bye-bye.